everyone, and welcome back to our Minecraft time machine. Today, we're jumping all the way back to a super old version called Infdev 2010-327. This was a really special time because it was when trees started to act a little more like, well, trees. Before this, trees were just kind of there. But in this version, something amazing happened. If you chopped down the wood, the leaves would start to disappear all on their own. And guess what? Sometimes a tiny little sapling would drop from the leaves. It was the first time you could ever get a baby tree to plant. How cool is that? So you'd grab your little sapling, find a nice grassy spot, and plant it. And then you'd wait, and wait, and wait some more. You could go build a little dirt house, explore a cave, and come back, and the sapling would still be just a tiny little sapling. It just wouldn't grow. It was like it was shy or something. So for a while, everyone was collecting these little saplings, but couldn't figure out how to make them grow into big, strong oak trees. But players back then were super clever and found a secret, almost magical way to grow trees. It was a bit of a funny trick. Are you ready for this? First, you'd find a tree and chop down all the wood blocks to clear away every single leaf block yourself. So you'd be punching leaves for a while. Once the whole tree was gone, not a single leaf left. You did the most important step. You left the world and then came right back in. And when you loaded back into your world, boom. A brand new, fully grown tree would be standing right where the old one was. It was like the game saw the empty space and said, "Whoops, there should be a tree here," and just popped a new one in. It wasn't about planting saplings. It was about this funny little world reloading magic trick. Isn't that wild? It shows how Minecraft was always changing and growing, just like its trees.